Hello everyone, welcome back to Urbex. I'm here in the Cleveland metro area, more specifically near Beechwood, Ohio, and I'm here at the University Heights Shopping Center. It's kind of like a mall, but it's not really a mall. Almost like they took a strip mall and they turned it into a shopping mall. It's really, really weird. That Target sign that's back there behind me, I could almost touch that. It is that low to the ground. You can see there's the main Target sign, and it's connected to a strip mall, what strip mall? Parking garage. There's a parking garage back behind me. So if you want to check out this weird conglomeration of strip mall stores that have been turned into like a little mall, all you have to do is follow me. University Square, located in University Heights, Ohio, in the Cleveland metro area, was built in 2003. Finding the history of this place was really difficult, but I do know it used to have a Kaufman's, Famous Footwear, TJ Maxx, and a Pier 1 Imports, as well as it now has the Target and the Macys as the only remaining anchors. I know, there's like an escalator in a Target, and it's so amazing. I can't believe my eyes are seeing this as well. Let's go upstairs first and look at the little cart thing. That's pretty cool. See, now if my Targets back in Cincinnati were like this, holy crap, I would shop here more often. Although I do love Targets anyway. Look at the big skylight. This reminds me of the multi-level Kmarts that you can find, or used to be able to find, in the New York City area. And now they're all gone. And there was still an Applebee's at the time I visited this place. So do we call this a mall, or is this a shopping center or a lifestyle center? I don't know, it's kind of its own unique thing. Yeah, elevators in a Target is so weird. Well, and we have the rest of the store is kind of normal. Electronics. I've never seen this in my Target. This Mario character, that is cool. I've only ever been in a few Targets that had elevators and escalators in them. There's one in Michigan that I went in. There's the one that was in Braintree, Massachusetts, like I mentioned in this video. And then, of course, this one that we're looking at right here. I can't think of any others that I've been in, but I'm sure there are others out there in the world. Super cool. Love it. It's unique. It's just a totally different shopping experience. This is a very busy shopping center, especially for most of the stores being gone. I mean, there's really only the Macy's and this Target here and the Applebee's. I don't think there's anything else left. This place is in a great location, but at the same time, it's also a terrible location. Let me clarify on this. It's in University Heights, it's a very densely populated area, and it has a lot of traffic going by it. But just down the very same road that it sits on is the Legacy Village, which is an outdoor shopping mall. It's very upscale and fancy. And there's also the Beechwood place, which is upscale and fancy. And, it kind of draws all the attention away from this place. And I get the fact that, they're kind of all unique in their own rights. But they're all, on the same level competing for, sales. Look at you guys. Look at how close I can get to this Target sign. Boop. I can touch it. Not too often you get to do that. To where you can actually touch a retail sign like that that's supposed to be up high. I could actually get a real bullseye. Bing! Yeah, this is the map of the place. Kind of comes out, sort of. All it does say is Target, retail, retail. Oh, they went out of business. I didn't know that. Huh. That sucks. Well, this is the... That's stupid. Bye-bye, Pier 1 imports. Bye-bye, famous footwear. Bye-bye me, because this is really slippery and I'm going to fall on my ass. Over the last few years, many Macy's stores have closed throughout Ohio, and I've documented most of them. The more recent one that comes to mind is the one that's not too far from here in Mentor, Ohio, at the Great Lakes Mall. And I was really shocked that they closed that Macy's, which was attached to a very busy mall, but they didn't close the one here that's just sort of by itself. I mean, yeah, I know there's a Target here, but I mean, it's not attached to a mall or anything. This is the one I would have thought would have been the first on the chopping block. And if this Macy's does close in the near future, I will definitely be back to document that and hopefully score some really cool artifacts to display in my museum. And you know, taking a tour through this Macy's was very peaceful because it was just really quiet and you could just sort of hear the escalators whirring and, you know, a few background voices talking off in the distance. But then you kind of realize that, gee, the store is mostly dead, and then a sadness just sort of washes over you as you realize this store may not last a whole lot longer. I've never seen this layout. No. Guys, look at this. I can actually, oh my gosh, if this ever closed, I would be after that sign immediately. I can actually go up and touch it. Ha! Boom! I'm crazy, I know. You all think I'm weird, but the Macy's sign is so low to the ground. Yeah, Parker found this one. Does this show up in the video? Yes, you can see it used to have a Kaufman's in here. It definitely says Kaufman's on the sign. Wow, that would have been cool to see way back in the day. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. We found these rare elevators. When was the last time you guys saw an elevator? Because it's been like 30 years since I've seen an actual elevator. Holy crap, you guys. We're going to take a ride on these elevators because they're so rare. They're like an extinct dinosaur.
Montgomery, I think it's a Montgomery elevator.
Is it a Montgomery elevator? I don't know. Maybe it's a Macy's elevator because there's a Macy's over there. If they have their own brand of elevator. Wait, is this a stainless steel elevator or is it titanium? No one knows. I pushed this button like 5 times and it doesn't do anything and I'm mad. If I have to take the stairs, fuck you elevators. Fuck you. No, don't press the fire hat. That's gonna call the police and then we're gonna be like arrested for stupid nothing.
Don't press it. Okay.
I'm not pressing that. I just told you not to. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to take the stairs. Yeah, okay, we're gonna take the stairs. Holy crap, you guys! This is deplorable. These stairs are so deplorable. Surprisingly enough, in 2020, they have plans to kind of redevelop the area and make it a mixed use with maybe some apartments, or I think it's kind of up in the air, but they're wanting to, make use of the space that isn't already being used. So I think they're going to keep the Target and the Macy's, but you can see here's some of the development plans that I found, online while I was searching around for the history of this place. If you think this place is weird and unique, then give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you'll be notified about future content. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you on another episode of Urbex.